Customize the truck bed to suit your needs and preferences. The canopy helps you load large amounts of cargo efficiently. It increases the storage space and makes it easier to utilize the space. The bed slide allows you to pull out the bed for loading and storage. Easily access items stored deep inside without climbing into the bed. The tonneau cover lies flat and can be opened and closed. To move it, pull the handle down and slide it forward or backward. The cover provides protection from the external environment and helps prevent items from falling out. Various accessories can be installed on the low rack. The height of the truck bed increases. The sturdy bar also helps protect the vehicle body. The tube-type side steps and board-type side steps are anti-slip, allowing you to enter and exit the vehicle safely. The 17-inch off-road style wheels enhance the rugged image. The door spot lamp illuminates the area at your feet to help you exit the vehicle safely. There are two types of tow hitches. The tow hitch provides a large towing capacity and includes two recovery hooks for added safety. Experience a unique sporty vibe with various customization options.
Kia, movement that inspires.